These Arena Python racing swim goggles feel purpose-built for competition, with a snug low profile that stays put off the blocks and through turns without digging into the eye sockets. The narrow, snake-inspired lens shape slices cleanly through the water while still giving surprisingly broad peripheral vision, which makes it easier to track lane lines and nearby swimmers. The mirrored coating does an excellent job cutting harsh glare in outdoor pools or under bright indoor lights, helping your eyes stay relaxed during long race days. Their rigid polycarbonate lenses feel solid and scratch-resistant, and the internal treatment keeps fog to a minimum so you are not constantly fiddling with them between heats. Soft silicone gaskets mold comfortably to the face and, once adjusted, the dual strap holds the goggles steady even during powerful underwater dolphin kicks. With 3 interchangeable nose pieces, it is easy to dial in a personalized fit that works for both smaller and larger faces without pressure points.